This is a brief awareness of breath practice for mindfulness-based stress reduction. The awareness of breath practice is a foundational mindful awareness practice, and during this practice, you'll be asked to return the attention, to direct the attention to the sensations of the breath, and to return the attention back to those sensations of the breath anytime that you notice that the mind has wandered. So to get started, perhaps find a comfortable seated position, and as best as possible, adopting a posture that allows you to sit upright, not really hunched over, which can really cause a sense of kind of sleepiness or dullness. And so as best as possible, as comfortable for you, to find a seat that will allow you to sit upright, but in a way that is relaxed and comfortable, so that you're not struggling and straining to find a seated posture. And just allowing the hands to rest wherever they're comfortable. And if you're comfortable closing the eyes, please go ahead and do so. And if you're not comfortable closing the eyes, just allowing the eyes to be casted, to glance down, and just perhaps focus gently on a spot on the floor a few feet in front of you, so that you're not looking all over the place during this practice, but you've either got the eyes closed or you're allowing the eyes to just rest gently on one spot of focus on the floor. And just beginning by perhaps, just as we've been working with the body scan, just bringing attention and awareness to the body. And just maybe noticing the sensations in the body of the contact with the chair, the sense of touch or air playing across the skin, just noticing what sensations are present in the body. And when you care to, directing the attention to the sensations of the breath, not changing the breath or manipulating the breath in any way, just noticing what the breath feels like in the body in its natural rhythm. And for you, it might be noticing sensations at the belly, or maybe sensations in the area of the chest expanding and contracting. Or maybe you notice the breath mostly at the throat, or really noticing the sensations of air flowing into and out of the nostrils. But just finding wherever the breath feels vivid to you. And just directing the attention to the sensations of the full duration of the in-breath and the full duration of the out-breath. And as we've been talking about with mindful awareness practice, you may begin to notice that the mind begins to wander, that you begin to notice that you're thinking about other things and not really paying attention to the breath. And that's no big deal. It's perfectly natural and normal for that to happen. So when you notice that the mind has wandered and that the attention is no longer directed at the sensations of the breath, just notice that thinking has occurred. You might just gently say to yourself silently, thinking, and then just redirect the attention again back to the sensations of the breath. And just noticing again where the attention is focused. And if there's been some sort of thinking or distraction, no big deal. Just direct the attention again back to the sensations of the breath. Remembering that in this practice, the practice is really noticing when the mind has wandered and returning the attention again and again back to just being aware of the full duration of the in-breath and the full duration of the out-breath. And just noticing again, where is the attention? Directing the attention back to the awareness of the breath. And when you care to, perhaps opening the eyes if they've been closed, or lifting the eyes if they've been focused on a spot on the floor. And with this same quality of present moment awareness, moving into the rest of your day.